Yeah, we suddenly have a lot to talk about here in the Weather Center. So what made it so unpleasant for Dan to stand outside this morning, and you guys all experienced it today, it was the wind chill. Our bodies are constantly losing heat through convection, and that ends up forming a little layer of warmth around your body that makes you feel warmer all the time. So if it's 20 degrees, but there's no breeze, the feels like temperature is 20. But the wind ends up agitating that warm insulating layer around your body. The faster the wind blows, the more it's carrying heat away from your body and the colder you end up feeling. And I know I probably don't need to explain it to you because we all felt it outside today. Taking a look at those wind chills heading towards daybreak tomorrow, once again below zero, feeling like the single digits at lunchtime and the teens as we head through the afternoon, which is actually a little bit better than it was outside today. But I think by Sunday, the wind is really going to diminish, so there's no wind chill factor at all for us to deal with. 12 degrees in Waterbury right now, 18 for the New Haven area, and the wind is still blowing out there. It's not so bad, but it just takes a little bit of a breeze. Winds out of the northwest 5 to 15 and gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. Low temperatures tonight in the single digits, close to 10 for the Connecticut shoreline, so very similar to what we dealt with last night into this morning. And another day with lots of sunshine, but it doesn't help warm us up at all. It's one of those days that looks really inviting, but it's chilly out there with highs in the 20s. On Sunday, we rebound into the mid to upper 20s. We'll start the day off with sunshine, then we'll see increase in clouds. Hey, I know there's a lot of winter lovers out there that will be outside for both days like this. Then on Monday and Tuesday, we are on the weather watch. We've got a storm in the mid-Atlantic. I'm going to back this up and show it just one more time. It's going to end up transferring its energy to a storm off the coast. That transfer is tricky because you end up seeing a snow shield approach Connecticut and then kind of pivot. And you have to find out where that pivot point is going to be. If it's a little bit too far south, that would keep the heaviest snow a little bit farther to the east. And if it's right over us, well, it's jackpot for us here in Connecticut. So what's the timing? Starting Monday morning, and I think it goes through Tuesday afternoon, maybe even Tuesday evening would be kind of a worst case scenario. But I think it'll kind of pick up in earnest as we head through Monday afternoon, Monday night, and early Tuesday morning. In terms of what is going to come from the sky, it looks like snow at this point, although there is a chance if the storm tracks closer to us, there could be some mixing in southeastern Connecticut. We're also talking about some strong gusty winds. I put 3 inches is likely, meaning it's almost a guarantee at this point, but 6 inches or more is possible. Right now, it looks the most likely for eastern and even southern Connecticut. If that storm tracks closer to us, it could be more widespread, 6+ inch amounts. We're not really sure yet. We want to give you a better idea of what's going to happen. Trust me, I want to do it more than anybody else, but it's going to have to be this weekend because there's still a little bit too much uncertainty. So plan for snow Monday, Tuesday. Look at that warming trend, though. We go from the 20s to the 30s to the 40s, and there are those showers, guys, by this time next week.